like to see what the market has because it inspires me, you know, come with some new designs. I'm coming back for more black. This purple is so gorgeous. I gotta show you the style that I created with this one. This is nice. How much is this?
50.
This one?
I'd sell it $20. Your price 50.
This is cute. This crochet. How much is a crochet?
20.
This would be cute for a beach cover up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tweeds. These are nice. Guys, I don't see anything else. I'm out of here. Alright guys, so I came back from the garment district the other day and I didn't really see anything special. So I just ended up getting more of the black sequin like I said to you guys previously. And so I just got me some stretch lining and some more of the sequin. With this, I'm going to be creating the top to go along with the ruffle shorts. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it right here for you guys to see it. I absolutely love the shorts, so I need to have a matching top so that way if someone comes and shop at my store, they can buy the top or the shorts or both pieces. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be taking the top version of my jumpsuits. If you haven't seen it, I did a quick short of it. This is the latest jumpsuit I have in my collection, and I absolutely love this jumpsuit. Okay, and I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top portion of the jumpsuit and modify it to make it as a crop top, and use the details to create the top to go along with the shorts. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I cut out all my patterns and now I'm going to go ahead and clean out all the sequin from the seam allowance, because for me, I like my seam allowance to be nice and clean and not bumpy. I just think that when the sequins are in the seam allowance, it just gives it a bumpy look and just looks bumpy on the outside and everything like that. That's just my taste. But that's what I usually do, and I just love the outcome of how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start cutting away some of the sequins from my seam allowance. So I wanted to say thank you guys for coming and leaving those beautiful comments in my last video. You guys always here for me. Like, I am grateful for you guys, okay? I feel right now like I'm more excited to like post, because I feel like this is what I want to do when I want to post what I want, versus just doing things because I got to, you know? So thank you guys for the support and love and comments. I appreciate every single one of them. And also I'm going to be doing some courses for you guys. I did a poll on Instagram, and right now the popular vote was grading patterns. So I'm going to be creating a course for those people who are interested in pattern grading. And so I'm gonna have that course ready soon. I just gotta get to it. That's all. I just gotta do it. So stay tuned for that in the new year. And yeah, I'm excited for next year, like 2024. I really am, because I have so much things that I want to accomplish and have so many goals. And I think when it happens one by one, it's going to be like an exciting experience. So you guys be ready for it. You guys, okay? I'm going to take you guys with me, because it's going to be a good 2024. Trust. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cleaned out all my seam allowance, cut out all my pattern pieces, and they are ready to be sewn together, the outer shell. So I'm going to go ahead and sew each and every one of these pieces together so you guys can see it on the dress form what it looks like, because this is about to be cute. This is about to be real cute, this little top. I'm telling you. Ooh, this is looking cute. So all I have to do is put the bows right here for it to tie, and then lay out the ruffle first. So these are the ruffles. That's going to be, this ruffle's going to go up here, and it's going to go around into the neckline. It's the bigger piece, and this will go all the way from the neckline all the way down here. Alright guys, so the secret is of how I make my lettuce edge ruffle is that I apply horsehair. And as you can see, it's like about a ½ inch. And all I do is apply it at the seam allowance of the ruffle when I connect it. So this is what the horsehair looks like on the seam allowance when I finish stitching it. Okay. Alright guys, so I went ahead and pinned my ruffle against the neckline so I can see what it looks like before I stitch it down. And so far, so good. Okay, so here's the ruffle. I think I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit because I want it to come down further, and I think I took it too far to the side, so I'm gonna just adjust the ruffle to come back forward. But other than that, it looks good. Like, I'm excited. I mean, seriously though, I mean, I know you can't really see the details with this in this black color, but it's so sophisticated and so classic. I mean, in person, it would look so gorgeous. You would see details, but you know, on camera, you're just not reading the details. And I think in even different color, oh my goodness, I might put it in red for Valentine's Day. Okay, when we get there, I'm gonna vlog that, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, this is really cute. This is super cute. So what I'm going to do is just put the sleeves in, and then I'm going to work on the lining, adjust the ruffle neckline, and then we're done, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, so I did my lining. I did it off camera because I was in a groove. I didn't show that process. So this is basically what it looks like. Very cleaned on the inside with my labels and care label as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the dress form what it looks like. So here is the top, and as you can see, the ruffle cascading into one side of the top. It kind of reminded of boleros, kind of. I mean, you could wear it as a bolero, you know. That's the beauty of it, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on with the shorts to see the complete look. Okay, so I decided I want to give you guys some looks when I'm dressing up the shorts and the top together. So I decided that I want to do, like, show you 2 different ways to wear it, because I think we should have fun with our makes, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and style this in a different way, in 2 different ways. And I was in Target the other day. Well, I'm not gonna call it Target no more, because with the amount of security cases that they got going on, it just shows me that this environment is more like for thieves. They have a thieving problem. So we're gonna have to take it down a notch. I guess we're gonna have to call it regular Target, because, you know. But anyway, I was in there and I saw these stockings, and I mean, like, this is really cute. You know, florally type stockings is back in style, and I want to wear these with my shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and pair them with that. And then I also picked up some shoes, and these are Betsy Johnson's. I got a couple of Betsy Johnson shoes because I really love her. She's so kooky. I met her a couple of times because I had worked for a fabric woman back in my, like, early days when I started working in the industry, and she used to be friends. She was friends with her because they went to school together. So we used to go up to her showroom to show her some of our fabric line to her. And she is so quirky, she's so funny, and she's so nice and fun. So I always loved her stuff, and I always buy some of her shoes and stuff like that over the years. I saw these when I was out and about buying these office shoes, the Slingbacks office shoes, and for Halloween, because I needed it for Halloween. But anyway, I saw this when I was out and about, and I said, I'm going to come back and get them. So these cute little rosette shoes. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Look, look, look. I mean, the little pearl detail makes it look a little, you know, but I think the essence of this is so cute. So I'm gonna pair it with my shorts. I think it will look so cute with the shorts. And you know, I just love it. So let's go ahead and get dressed. All right, guys, so here's the look. Okay, so you guys saw the shorts already. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the top and the shorts look like together. So here's the top. And I mean, look, I'm obsessed. This looks super cute. Okay guys, so here's the full body. So you guys can see the whole look. And I'm telling you, like, this is super gorgeous. I mean, it's a two-piece set that is unmatched. So basically you can wear the top by itself if you want to, or you can just get the shorts, or you can get the pair. That's what basically I wanted to do. Keep it, you know, give it variety on my online shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the stockings and change out the shoes so we can see a different look. So here is the look with the stockings and shoes. Let me step back. I don't know how I feel about it. I do think they're cute though. What do you guys think? Do you like it with the stockings and sandals, with the rosette sandals, or just some plain stockings and just a classic pump? Alright guys, and this is the final look for all my corporate baddies. You know, you got a hot day right after work. You know, you got a crisp white shirt, you just unbutton it, you know, give it a little bit of sex appeal. The legs are out. And I mean, when you go on that date, he gonna get an idea of what you would look like in his shirt. You know what I'm saying? So this is the final video. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know which looks were your favorites. I'm obsessed with all three, no matter what. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.